This is the opening screen of our Materials and Characteristics title, which is part of the Molecule series and designed for children of early years, age group or ability. It's also very good for EAL teaching because of the wide vocabulary within it. If we click on the Start button, we'll open the main menu page and we can proceed from there. I'll show you some of the screens and basically get the screens to speak for themselves. So we'll go up here, we'll type a name, we'll choose Sky. And we will come down here to the buttons, we'll switch the music off, we'll show the title, forward we'll ignore, level 1 and level 2. Level 1 is default, we'll come to level 2 in a moment. And we will choose, there we go, open that activity.
Wood.
Now,
Boat.
the items in the centre are all made of wood and they are accepted. And so that could go, in fact, into any one of these circles. But if we put it there, it shows
Cake.
a higher level of achievement in matching with the one that's already there in terms of position. Cake, not made of wood, reject.
Bell.
Not made of wood, reject.
Table. Computer. Roof frame. Bat. Trumpet. Violin. Dog.
And here we are. In 40 seconds, we have put everything in the right place and achieved 10 out of 10. A mouse over on anything here and we'll hear the word spoken.
Bell.
And likewise down here.
Bat.
And now we can choose the labelling option.
Wood. Table.
Which is specific. They have to put it in the right
Cake.
place. So if we
Violin.
put violin there, it'll go back again and will only be
Violin.
accepted there. And so we
Roof
go
frame.
out of that and we go to the not wood option.
Not wood. Not wood.
And now, when the
Boat.
boat comes up now, we can't accept it because we have a cross in there, and that means that none of these are acceptable. So boat goes down there,
Dog.
dog we can accept, and so on.
Roof frame.
And out of that, and we will go now to level 2, and we will choose this one.
Can move. Can move.
And as you can see, now we have
Dog.
words in the middle rather than images, and that can move, and that cannot move,
House.
and so on. And if we go to the
Mountain.
labelling option, now we have
Can move.
words and words.
House.
House cannot move, dog,
Dog.
and so on.
Mountain.
2 more things to show you. One is the timing option, so we'll write 10 seconds there, which is far too little, but not to worry, and we'll go into
Have
here.
hair.
Have hair. What will we find here, I wonder?
Have hair.
And the rabbit.
Rabbit.
Hair or fur?
Fish.
No. Snake?
Snake.
No.
Dog.
But now we've timed out. Oh dear, we've timed out and we
Have
need to
hair.
start again. And out of there, then one more thing to show you is the free writing activity. If I do a right click here, I can type something in, and here we go to odd one out and press enter. And now we will do a left click to open the activity, and we will show the pictures. So now then, this is materials, so we'll choose some things that are and some things that are not made of wood. And that's made of wood, and that is made of wood, and that is made of wood, and we'll choose 1 or 2 other things. And what shall we say? We'll choose that and that. And so we'll now get rid of that, and we'll start putting these in position. So there we are. That one made of wood, that is made of wood, that is made of wood, not made of wood, made of wood, made of wood, and we'll use that one, I think. And we'll put these up here. And now this is a writing frame, so we could talk about them, and we could maybe write pen, bat, violin there. Now in terms of odd one out, here we are, what have we got? We've got a few different things here that we can talk about, and this could be an opportunity for saying, well, odd one out because of what they do. Maybe we could say we can move that one easily in the water. That's the only one that goes in the water, or that is the only one with wheels. And the odd one out, therefore, here is the sofa, because that is not made of wood, and an opportunity for the children to discuss. Or we could say, let's use this as a spa for presentations. And we could say, Sky, you've got 30 seconds to talk about anything there. And she might say, when I went away on my holidays, I went in a boat, and we rowed the boat on the lake, and it was very exciting. We had to wear life jackets, and she can talk about what happened when she rowed the boat. And there we go. That gives Sky an opportunity to actually give a presentation, short presentation on something of her choice. So there we are, just a few screens from our title, Materials and Characteristics.